I go to the office every single day and I cannot believe they still hear the same old hormones are bad for you. They cause some type of a medical problem or another, heart disease, blood clots, strokes, the worst of all, breast cancer. That all came about from the Women's Health Initiative from way back in 2002. That was a very poorly conceived, executed study that actually came to really terrible conclusions. And not only that, it didn't look at the estradiol and the progesterone and the testosterone we use today. It looked at the synthetic hormones. You want to know what? There's really good news out there for you people that are afraid to pull the trigger on hormone therapy. Because just last week, the last week of July of 2025, the FDA convened a panel. And the specific intent of that panel is to look at hormone replacement in women. In that panel, what they're going to do is look at the evidence that's accrued since 2002. And you know what? The evidence is solid. Hormone therapy is great for women. So if you want to be healthy, vital, lower your risk of heart disease, lower your risk of dementia, lower your risk of osteoporosis, and all of these medical problems that afflict women after they go through menopause, it is now possible that we can have the black box warnings on hormones removed. And in fact, the literature is starting to show very clearly that hormone therapy is beneficial in so many ways with little, if any, major medical downside. So I'd encourage you to take a look at the FDA, watch what they're doing, and I'm sure in the next few months you're going to see a dramatic publication, a dramatic shift in the way conventional medicine starts to look at hormone therapy. This is Dr. John Carrozzella from the Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness. And if your hormones are out of balance and if you think you need them looked at, we're the perfect place to get that done.